Is your car battery giving you trouble? Tired of unexpected breakdowns? Today, we're diving into the VDIAGTOOL BT300 Car Battery Tester, a handy tool that can help you diagnose and maintain your vehicle's battery health. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Weekly Tools, where we bring you the latest tools and gadgets that make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance with an incredible tool that every car owner should have: the VDIAGTOOL BT300 Car Battery Tester. Wide compatibility. The BT300 supports various types of batteries, including regular flooded batteries, commonly found in most vehicles, AGM flatplate and spiral batteries, high-performance batteries used in modern cars, EFB, enhanced flooded batteries, often used in start-stop vehicles, gel batteries, ideal for motorcycles, boats, and RVs, comprehensive testing capabilities. It doesn't just test if your battery is charged, it provides a full health report. You'll see data like voltage, the current charge of your battery, cold cranking amps, CCA, a measure of how well your battery can start your engine in cold weather, state of health, SOH, the overall condition of the battery, state of charge, SOC, how much energy is currently stored. Dual testing modes. Apart from the battery itself, you can test the cranking system to check how your battery performs during startup, and the charging system to see if your alternator is working properly. User-friendly LCD display. A backlit LCD screen ensures you can read results clearly, even in low-light conditions like a dim garage or at night. Durable and compact design. Built with a tough exterior, it's designed to withstand the wear and tear of regular use. Plus, its lightweight design makes it portable, perfect for roadside diagnostics. Why every driver needs the BT300. So why should you care about having a battery tester like the BT300? Let me paint a scenario for you. Imagine you're about to head out for an important meeting or a family trip, and your car won't start. Frustrating, right? With the BT300, you can avoid this hassle altogether. This tool gives you the ability to catch problems early, monitor your battery's health before it fails, save money, avoid unnecessary replacements or trips to the mechanic, stay prepared, ensure your car's battery is ready for any weather or long journeys. In-depth demonstration. All right, enough talking. Let's see the BT300 in action. Using this tester is as simple as it gets. Here's a step-by-step guide. Connect the clamps. Take the red clamp and connect it to the positive terminal of your battery. Then take the black clamp and connect it to the negative terminal. As soon as you connect the clamps, the device powers on automatically. No buttons to press. Select the battery type. Use the arrow buttons to choose the type of battery you're testing: regular flooded, AGM, EFB, or gel. Run the test. Once you've selected the battery type, press the Enter button to start the test. Within seconds, you'll see the results displayed on the screen. Voltage CCA reading SOH and SOC. Look at this. Our battery is in great shape. Test the cranking and charging system. If you want to check the cranking system, follow the on-screen instructions to start the car. The BT300 will measure how well the battery handles the startup load. For the charging system, it checks the alternator's output to ensure it's charging the battery correctly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Earn For You. We post weekly videos about tools, gadgets, and tips to save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving and stay prepared.